All right, so welcome to another lesson, and what we are going to be looking at today is actually how to create a drop-down list in Excel. All right, so here is an Excel, and I'm just going to create just a very simple table. All right, so this table is going to comprise of the following headings: and the serial number. Then here we have the courses. And here we have the duration and what is, okay, so let's just say we have the courses and the duration, as you can see from here. Courses, duration, this is serial number, all right? And so you come here, we want you to be able to select courses. We want to we want this column for courses to be a drop-down list. So you just have to click on a button and select from the list available. That's basically what we want. So now to do that, all I need to do is just to go to this, go to data, all right? And then click on data validation. And here you select lists, then specify the list of those items that you want to be what? To be on the drop-down menu. All right, so I am going to write a list of courses here. I'm going to say digital marketing. So say digital marketing. That is the first course, comma. All right. Then ethical hacking. All right. Then data analytics. And then UI/UX design, comma, then coding and programming. All right, so that's the last thing we have. These are the courses. All right, so after listing them, I just click OK. So now you can see there is a button here. So before I quickly, we text it, I need to drag this down so that it can be applicable to all other sites. Let's assume this is where I want my table to be. I just drag it here, sorry, to end rather. All right, so now with this, now we now have drop down. You click, when you select any of the cell, you see a button by the side, and then you click on the to select. All right. So we can expand these cell to actually see it properly. So if I come here, I can select any course, all right? I come here, I can select any course, all right? So this is how you can actually you can create a drop-down list in Excel, all right? So thank you for watching. And please, just before we go, I want to say something. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And if you feel like this is actually helpful, why not hit the like button and also share it so that other people can also have access to this video. Thank you.